In this video, we will show you how to import variations for the query loop block from the CBB variation library and use them to build layouts for blog posts. You can also use these variations for other content types such as pages, products, portfolio, testimonials, etc. To get started, make sure you have the CBB plugin installed and activated on your WordPress site. You can install it free from the site's dashboard by searching for CBB or Content Blocks Builder on the plugins page. We'll start with a fresh WordPress site running the 6.4 version and the 2024 theme. We have already prepared some sample blog content for this tutorial. Let's get started by going to the variation library page to import variations. We have already created some pre-made variations to help you build some common layouts for posts. Let's import the first variation to create a responsive grid of posts. You can click on the edit link to go to the edit variation page and see how this variation was created. This variation is ready to use on our site. You can insert this variation from the inserter or from the variation picker pop-up. Let's see the result. WordPress automatically prepends sticky posts to the results of the query loop, which makes it display more posts than the posts per page value. If you want to display the exact number of posts from this setting, you can either choose to exclude those sticky posts or ignore them from the setting. If you want to change the style or post items for this variation, you can go to the Edit Variation page and adjust the style or add, remove post items from the post template block. If you don't want your changes to be overwritten by re-importing the variation, you can copy it into a new variation and make changes there. Now we will import another variation to create a full-width carousel of sticky posts. Similar to the previous variation, you can also modify the post template or the carousel settings from the Edit Variation page. Let's import and test some other variations. As you can see, by using the pre-made variations, you can create your custom layouts with a few clicks. And it works with all post types. Thank you for watching this tutorial. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up, check out our other videos to learn more about CBB, and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this in the future.